Imagine biting into perfectly crispy golden bacon that's shatteringly crisp and irresistibly flavorful, all achieved in your microwave without a single drop of grease splatter. You won't believe how easy this is. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm sharing the best microwave crispy bacon trick that's quick, mess-free, and delivers restaurant-quality results in just minutes. Perfect for busy families or anyone craving that satisfying crunch without the hassle. This hack is a total game changer because it uses your microwave to avoid grease splatters and makes cleanup a breeze. Now, let's get to the ingredients. You'll need 8 slices of thick-cut bacon, about 12 ounces or 340 grams, and 2 to 3 sheets of paper towels to absorb excess fat. This recipe serves 4 people and takes just 5 to 7 minutes total, so it's ideal for a fast breakfast or snack. Start by selecting your bacon. Go for thick-cut slices for the best texture, as they crisp up beautifully without overcooking. Lay out 2 sheets of paper towels on a microwave-safe plate to create a barrier that absorbs grease and prevents sogginess. Place your 8 slices of bacon side by side on top of the paper towels, ensuring they're not overlapping for even cooking. The fatty edges will start to glisten as they prepare to crisp. Now, add another sheet of paper towel on top of the bacon to trap the steam and promote that perfect crunch. While you're prepping, you'll notice the raw bacon's marbled fat, which promises a rich, savory aroma once heated. This simple setup takes under a minute and sets the stage for foolproof results. For the first cooking phase, pop the plate into your microwave and set it to high power, around 1000 watts, which is about 121 degrees C internally for even heating. Cook the bacon for 4 minutes initially, listening for the sizzle as the fat renders and the strips start to curl slightly. This is your cue that the magic is happening. Keep an eye on it through the microwave door. The bacon should begin turning from pale pink to a golden brown, with the edges crisping up beautifully. Exact time may vary by microwave, so start with 4 minutes and add 30-second intervals if needed, checking for that perfect doneness where the fat bubbles and the meat firms. The aroma will fill your kitchen with an irresistible smoky scent, making your mouth water as you watch the transformation. Now, for the second phase, carefully remove the plate using oven mitts to avoid burns, as it will be hot from the steam. Flip the bacon slices if they're not quite even, then cover with the paper towel again and microwave for an additional 1 to 2 minutes on high power. This step builds on the first by intensifying the crispiness, allowing the remaining fat to render fully and the strips to achieve that shatteringly crunchy texture. Pro tip: for extra flavor, sprinkle a pinch of black pepper or smoked paprika on the bacon before the second round. It adds a subtle kick without overpowering the natural taste. As it cooks, you'll see the bacon darkening to a deep golden hue, and the paper towels will soak up any excess grease for a cleaner finish. Once done, take the plate out and let the bacon rest on the paper towels for about 1 minute to cool slightly and crisp up even more. This resting period locks in that perfect texture. Gently pat away any lingering grease with a fresh paper towel for ultra-clean results. Now, for plating, arrange the crispy strips on a serving platter, perhaps with a sprinkle of fresh herbs like parsley for a pop of color. The final product boasts a glossy golden appearance with a satisfying snap, an intoxicating smoky aroma, and a texture that's delightfully crunchy on the outside yet tender inside. This simple finish makes your bacon ready to devour or use in other dishes. Take a bite, and you'll experience the ultimate crispy bliss. Each strip offers a loud crunch followed by a burst of savory, salty flavor, with layers of smoky depth that make it utterly addictive. The texture is spot on, shatteringly crisp edges contrasting with the juicy center, all without any greasiness thanks to our clever hack. This bacon pairs perfectly with eggs for breakfast, salads for lunch, or even BLTs for dinner. And you can store leftovers in an airtight container for up to 3 days to retain crispiness. For variations, try turkey bacon for a healthier twist, or add spices during prep for a customized flavor. What makes this special is how it simplifies cooking while delivering professional results every time. I can't wait for you to try this microwave crispy bacon trick and share your results in the comments below. It's a total kitchen win. Subscribe for more easy recipes like this every week, and don't miss tomorrow's video on quick microwave snacks.